How to add a slideshow header to Squarespace. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how easy and simple it is to add an image or a slider into the specific Squarespace website of yours, and how we can enlarge it to make it a header or till the header. It is going to be very easy and very simple. We're going to head over the specific Squarespace and sign in for an account. Once we have visited the Squarespace, we are going to click on the favicon of the account, and then we are going to click on account dashboard. So we are going to see the websites that we have created already. So if you haven't created a website yet, you're going to click on create a website. If you have one, go ahead and click on website just like that. Now I'm going to click on a website, and we're going to wait for a few seconds until the website editor is going to be showing up. Now, as you can see, this is our website editor. Now, what we're going to do is basically to have a specific image or a slider, let's say here a slider or a slideshow to add it in here. So we're going to choose the page. Maybe I'm going to head over another page or a page that is not linked. So I'm not going to ruin my design in here. So I'm going to create a blank page, maybe a page or test page. Test page. We're going to name it just like that. We're going to open up the page, and then we're going to click on edit. Now, once you have clicked on edit, you are going basically to have a specific page that has some content, or maybe it is going to be empty, but we are going to add the content. The first content that we are going to add is going to be basically a section. So we're going to click on add section, and from here, we're going to choose the image section. So we are going to head over the Squarespace galleries. How we can go to them, basically you're going to focus on the left side of the screen on this menu. Scroll down a little bit and you're going to see images. Click on images and you're going to see all the images that we have in here. So all the images are going to be related in here. Now, we are not going basically to add any type of image, but we are going to add a slider. How you can define a slider or find a slider, basically it is going to be very simple. You're going to scroll down a little bit because of the first, as you can see, images are not going to be sliders. We need a unique image with some arrows at the borders, or the left and also the right ending of them. So as you can see, this is going to be maybe a little bit hard to notice, but I'm going to see if I can go ahead and zoom in. So it didn't work, doesn't matter a lot. So I need you to focus on the specific left and right side of the images and see if we have some arrows. As you can see here, we have one, two, we have two arrows. We have this one, and I think that we have another one that is going to be maybe this or that. So the most important part is going to have the first one, which is going to be that, or this one. So we are going to have it, and as you can see, we have the arrows. So what can we do in here? We have added the page. As you can see underneath the header, this is going to be something mandatory to work on in this situation or in this tutorial. Why? Because we are going to extend the view of the specific image in here, or the slider, to this element or the head. So now we can go ahead and see that we have chosen the right, as you can see, slideshow, by seeing that it is going to be a gallery. So we have a gallery of images. We can go ahead and have some images and also some descriptions, some link added, and etc. So we can go ahead and add some images. So I'm going to search maybe some images. I'm going to add more than one image. I'm going to add this one, and we're going to add maybe more, 5 to 6 images. Let's see here. We are going to use this. I'm going to add it. And here we have 5. I'm going to complete with the 6th image, which is going to be maybe that or this one. I'm going to click on add image. So here, congratulations, you have added the specific 6 images that you need. So I'm going to put a specific order for the images, so they are not going to be the same in here. So maybe like that is better. I don't know. So you tell me. Now, as you can see, we have the images. So if I slide the images, I'm going to see them all together in here. And now what we're going to do basically is to have some modification added. So I'm going to click on edit section and I'm going to show you how you can proceed the process. So the gallery type, you should have here the full. You can go ahead and use the simple, but it is not going to be okay. You can have also the real, not okay. But the full one is going to be the demanded. The width, you're going to have the full bleed, not the full, but remember the full bleed. For the height, it is preferable for this method to have the height of the largest or the large one. The small one is going to be not that good. The medium one, not that cool, but the large one is going to be better. Now, for the arrows, as you can see, we have the choice of arrows, bullets, and hidden. So if you're going to make it as hidden, it is going to be here autoplaying with the autoplay only, and you cannot go ahead and let the clients or you change the image in here. So we are going to apply the autoplay. This is the crucial thing in here. Now, as you can see, we can have some animations. You can have here animations like fading animations, vertical or scale down, scale up, for example, animations. You can go ahead and have some animation here and there, but I'm not going to add an animation. You can have a divider at the end in here, but I'm not going to use it. It is up to you if you're going to be using it or you would like to use it. It is going to be up to you. Now, aside from that, we are going to head over the colors and you're going to see that we have some colors that we can apply. And basically it is not going to be that important to apply the colors in here. Now, what I am going to do basically is to have a specific code. So when we are going to apply that code, it is going to cover the header. Now I'm going to save in here all the changes that I have did right now like that. And we are going to click on exit. Now we are going to head over or make sure that we are on the pages. So if you're going to be on the menu or this one or the home page that you have chosen, maybe you're going to be facing up this menu, click on pages only. And then you're going to head over the utilities. Scroll down a little bit and select from here website tools. So we are going to have here the custom codes and the messaging. Obviously, we do not need the messaging, but we're going to use the custom code. For the code injection, it is not going to be necessary, but the custom CSS, it is going to be. Now, we are going to have the custom code. We're going to put it in here. For the code of this video, you're going to find it on the description section. So you're going to find it right there, and or it could be linked also. You're going to copy and paste the code, and you're going to see the magic. So I am going to paste up our code just like that. We are going to put or click or press Control V, or I can go ahead and click on paste just like that, and you're going to see the magic. So this is the magic. This is the before version. So as you can see here, we have a different, as you can see here, font. So I'm going to change this. So we are going to see the clearer version. And as you can see, the image has scaled and it has a take or took the specific header, or it has whether the color or the same background for the image. It is going to be considered an extension for the image to the header, and this is going to be something very cool. So as you can see, the code is going to be very simple. It is going to be composed from a dot page dash section dot gallery dash section. Here we are going to open up a bracket padding dash top. Here we are going to make the padding on the top 0 pixel. So if you're going to increase it, you're going to have here, as you can see, the specific padding added up. So maybe you're going to have this one. So for example, 20, 200, 5, or 2000, or you're going to put it just like that. As you can see, we have put the 0 pixel and we have made an exclamation mark and important. So it is going to activate that row. So all you need to do in here is to click on save, and here we have the page. So what I am going to do basically is to head over any other page, for example, and see if it has made some difference. So we are going to head over here. This page is affected from the beginning. Let's see about the about page. So this one is going to be another page. So we are going to distinguish the specific in here page. I think that this took also the effect. Let's see it. And I'm going to head over here. So the CSS code, let's delete it and see. So it did not take not the damage. I mean by that the code in here. So we are going to add another page and we are going to see if it is going to work. So here, a new page, I'm going to accept this name and we are going to click on edit and edit the section. So I'm going to have here the image and the slider. So we're going to add the slider and we are going to see that it has automatically detected the code and it has right there uh, put or applied the parameters from here and there. So if you are going to or want to remove that specific code, you can go ahead and head over here, click on website tools, and then here are going to head over custom CSS, delete that code, and here you have it. That was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content and I hope to see you in the next one.